Hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to set up and add wish lists to your Shopify store. The first thing you will need to do once on your Shopify admin page is go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on apps. After selecting apps, from here you're going to tap on app and sales channel settings. Once on this dashboard, you're going to tap on Shopify App Store in the top right hand corner. Once you have done that, I want you to tap on the search bar at the top of the page, and from here you're going to type in Wishlist. Then from here I want you to select Wishlist Plus, as this will be the app that we'll be installing to use, and you can see that it is completely free to use and it is also highly rated. And by scrolling down, you can read more about the free plan. So you can see easy code-free setup, and you'll be able to offer up to 100 wish list items, and you can see 20 save for later items per month. And they'll also be able to share their wish list, as you can see right there, and it is free forever. So all you'll need to do is tap on install. After doing that, you'll be redirected to a new page, and you're going to tap on install once more. Then from there, you're going to be redirected to the Wishlist Plus dashboard. Once on the Wishlist Plus dashboard, I'll be showing you how to continue setting it up. So you can see right here, before we start, tell us how Wishlist Plus can help you. And you can see right here, bring customers back to your store, reduce abandoned carts, convert guest users into customers. You can select whichever one of these options best describes your need. Then you'll tap on continue. Then you'll see help us get to know you better. And from there, you can select whether you're an owner, marketer, agency, or so on. And could you share with which industry your store operates in? And you can select the industry right there. So for example, I'll select apparel. Then you can tap on continue. After doing that, you can see free forever, as that is the plan we'll be using. You're going to select that. Then you're going to tap on continue at the bottom of the page. After tapping on continue, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you can select how you would like it to look. So for example, would you like a floating button, or would you like it to be added as a navigation menu item? You can select whichever one of these options suit you. Or would you prefer as a header menu item or as a custom item? So for this example, I'm going to set it as a floating button. Then you can decide where you'd like it to float, whether in the bottom right hand corner, bottom left hand corner, or the right side. You can see right there. So I'm going to tap on continue. Then from there, you can scroll down and you'll see one more step. And you can tap on enable custom button if you want, and you could set up your own button, or you can use one of their preloaded buttons. So you can see the different options right here. You could also edit the colors so that it will better match your current Shopify theme. So you could tap on the color right here, and let's say for example a yellow color would be better for my theme. I could select a color to my liking. As you can see right here, you can select one of these colors that would better match your theme at the moment. So let's say for example that color. You can also tap on labels, and from there, if you would like to change the text, you could do that. You can also tap on social count. So if you would like the social count not to be displayed, you can untick that. After doing that, all you'll need to do is tap on one more step at the bottom of the page. Then from here, you can see provide these basic details for emails that get sent through the app to your customers. And you can see right here, you could add right here from name, choose something customers will recognize, such as your store brand. So you can type in your store brand right there. So Simple Answers. Then from here, you could enter your reply email. So I'll do that real quick. So I'm just going to type in my regular email. So let's do that. gmail.com. After you have done that, if you would like to upload your store logo, you can also do that. Then you're going to tap on Finish Setup. Once you have selected Finish Setup, you can see right here that you have set it up. All you'll need to do now, you can tap on Go to Shopify Live Theme Editor. Once you have done that, you're going to pay attention to the left-hand menu option, and you want to ensure that it is enabled, as you can see right there. Then you're going to tap on Save in the top right-hand corner. After you have tapped on Save, all you'll need to do now is go back into Shopify. So for example, if I were to go back into Shopify right here, then from here, I'm going to go onto View Online Store. After doing that, you should see the icon in the bottom right-hand corner. So you can see the icon right here. If I were to tap on that, you can see my wish list. So I can tap right here to continue shopping. So once they're on a product page, let's say for example, this product page, you can see the icon right here to add it to their wish list, and they can add to wish list real quick. You can also see they'll have the option to clear it right there. So you can see love it, add it to my wish list, and they can do that quite quickly. As you can see right here, here's the option that pops up. All they'll need to do is tap on add to wish list, and they have added the product. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.